Hello, traders, and welcome to TradingWithBill.com. It's a Monday, September 18th, 2017. Traders, great to be with you on a Monday. It is overcast skies, but the sun is out, and Pattaya, Thailand looks pretty good today on a Monday. Traders, let's do some cleaning up here. As far as data goes today, there is very, very little data, and we'll get to that in just a second. And the pairs are really finical. I guess that's the best word I can come up with. Very finical. There's no real, I don't know. It's the pairs are just not doing anything. They're like really not doing anything. And I thought by this time of the year we'd be back in it, and we're not. And you know, I didn't take a trade on Thursday. I didn't take a trade on Friday. I'm just not seeing. That's not true. I'm sorry. I did take an Aussie trade on Thursday, and I did make a little bit of profit, but it was so little I couldn't buy a cup of coffee. All right, that's what's going. That's my 2 cents worth of what's going on with the charts. Horrible. All right, let's take a look at what we got going on today. Like I said, no data today. Really quiet. Usually on a Monday. Getting into the European session, we have the euro has CPI year on year, and it has what else is it? We have the CAD foreign security purchases. The Great British Pound has BOE Governor Carney speaking today. And there is no data in the U.S. coming out today at all. So it's really a technical Monday. S&P futures positive 0.13%. NASDAQ futures positive 0.10%. Dow positive 0.29%. S&P 500 VIX negative 2.59%. DAX negative 0.17%, and the US dollar is positive 0.06%. Euro index is up 0.05%. Let's take a look at our commodities. Gold still at that 1321 level, and WTI crude is above that 50%. I mean that $50.31 mark. We're glad of that. We predicted that. It's come true, and Brent is up at 55.58 as we speak in Asia. All right, good stuff. So that's what's going on. Let's get to the charts. Like I said, it's a Monday, no data today. The charts are finicky. As always, I always do the euro on a Monday. And, you know, this chart to me, my friends, is bearish. Right? This is a bearish chart. Comes down, goes L, tries to do a, you know, an up move here, doesn't sustain, comes back down. Now, the key to this chart is the 200 exponential moving average. You can see that prices reacted above it and below it pretty well. So what are we looking for here? Well, if it goes back up to that, you know, 1890 area, I'm okay with that. We'll sell it up here. I don't have a problem selling it up here. We can sell that. However, I don't think that's going to happen. I think what we're going to see is we're going to see this take a tick to the downside. And what I'd like to see is close below the 200 and close below this trend line, and then we can sell it at 1.1920. Where's your stop got to go? Yeah, your stop's got to go at 1950 or 1960, okay? So you got to give it a healthy stop because we're so far away from our initial okay to trade mark, right? Okay to trade mark is below that 200 exponential moving average. So if we can get below that, that's an okay to trade. Next thing we got to get through is this trend line. And then we have what we always like is, you all know it, yes, sure, yes you do, oh yeah, a wide open space. Right, now we have a wide open space to take this all the way down to 1840, 1.1840 for the sell trade on the euro. I think this is a healthy trade. I think it's a good trade. And we don't have anything, you know, coming out today that's going to move either one of these two pairs. So it's a technical move here. And we'll just see. You know, we'd like to see the dollar get strong to help it. That would definitely help it get down. I'm not in no rush to pull the trigger on this. This trade's going to take some time, and we're just not going to snap triggers on this trade. We need to make sure we're in, we get some good confirmation, and we protect ourselves. And, of course, the key in this market, same as it was in the summer, you just have to get to break even as soon as you can. You get 15 to 20 pips. In my trading, I go to break even. And if I get out with 5 pips, I'm okay with that. It's better than taking a 30 or 40 pip loss going back to my stop, right? Remember, stops are for emergencies. The trade goes against you at any point, just get out of the trade. Remember, you can always re-enter. Better take a 10 pip loss than a 30 or 40 pip loss. If the trade starts going against you, just get out and just re-enter it later. Okay. The other option is if you're confident in your trade plan, you can stay in the trade and then reload. Right? Gets to a resistance level, you're selling, goes against your trade, goes to a resistance level. You know, you can add right to your position and saying to yourself that we're at resistance, so price is going to bring it back down. It's going to come down and continue with your trade. So that's another option you can do instead of getting out. You can add to it and continue the trade. Okay. All right, that's what's going on in the euro dollar today. We'll take a look at the pound real quick. Yeah, this pound made a nice move to the upside, huh? Now, you know, this just tells, this is just stair stepping to the upside. You know, unless BOE Carney says something really crazy today, you know, well, if he says something good, this is going to continue the upside. If he says something bad, it's gonna dump like a rock. You know, yeah, this is pretty bullish. I mean, we're at 1.35. You know, this is pretty bullish. The way, you know, if I was going to trade this, is I just take this down to here, right? Wait for a 61.8 pullback, and then we can sell it from there. It's at support here, and sell it from there. See if this comes back down. We'll buy it back to the upside. This does not look like this wants to come down. Unless data comes out or something comes out, this looks pretty bullish. All right. Sorry about that. Aussie's not doing much of anything. Yeah, just sideways. It's at support. You know, the 200 exponential moving average is above price. Just have to wait and see. But there's no trade here. All your EMAs are entwined with each other. Is that a word? You know, they're all mixed together like spaghetti, so you don't want to do anything here. Just leave this alone. Let's see what happens after the Open. And that'd be the London Open. Asia is pretty much in progress and almost finished, so a couple hours Asia will be done. All right, traders, not much today. That's it for me, and always come visit me if you'd like, tradingwithbill.com. And remember, trade smart and not hard. Traders, have a great Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.